The world broke the record of the hottest day for 2 consecutive days. The Copernicus Climate Change Service of the European Union's Weather Monitoring Agency listed Sunday, 21st July as the hottest day. The average surface temperature on this day was 17.09 degrees Celsius. A day later, it broke the record on Monday, July 22nd. The surface temperature rose from 0.06 degrees Celsius to 17.15 degrees Celsius. Before that, the warmest day was recorded for 4 consecutive days at the beginning of July 2023. Scientists say last year's record was the hottest in 120,000 years. Last week, large part of the United States, Europe and Russia were scorched by a heat wave. Japan, Indonesia, China and Gulf countries have also seen record temperatures recently.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।